Hi, welcome back to GoFundy.com. Earlier, we set up a new customer through online registration. Now we're going to log in and edit their fundraising webpage. Click on Customer Login. We've already created a GoFundMe page, so we'll type in our username. And it found our site, websterpta.gofundmy.com/admin. So we'll click on this link, and it will take us to our page. We know this is correct because we look at the top in the URL bar. We see websterpta.gofundmy.com. Our username was Webster01, and our password was sent to us in an email. Here is the email for our password. Let's highlight that. Copy, paste, and press login. Now we are logged into our fundraising page. The first thing I like to do is change my password. Let's make it something easy to remember. Change password. Remember these menus across the top? We have the ability to edit our GoFundMe page, manage our campaign, or the event know-how page. If we click Participants and Donations, we'll notice that everything is blank. Today's lesson is about editing our GoFundMe webpage. If we click Home, we'll see that the entire page is empty. We have several options here about editing our GoFundMe webpage. First is Edit Content. Second is Organization and Group Name. Let's do the easy ones first. Everything down here are the easy ones. We'll edit our organization group name. This is the text that displays on the top right-hand side of the website. Save, and done. If I reload, I'll see my text up here. What is the name of our fundraiser? We're raising money for a new playground. Let's call this the Playground Run. Save, and done. Now you don't see anything here until we hit refresh. There we go. We have the ability to edit our logo. The logo goes in the box on the top left side of the screen. For this example, Webster Elementary are the Fighting Goats. So we'll select Browse and replace the existing image. GoFundMe Files, we got Fighting Goats. Click Open, and click Update. We'll click Refresh, and now we have the Fighting Goat logo. And we'll click Done. Let's edit the contact information. If we need to, we can edit the contact information that's on the left side of the screen. I think that's correct. We'll click Save and Done. Copyright information is the information that goes at the bottom of the screen. Save, done. Now we can edit our thermometer. The thermometer across the top of the screen is totally customizable by our customers. Here we'll type in the fundraising goal of $20,000. We'll click Update, and done. As your fundraiser raises money, all online donations will automatically be added to the thermometer. However, online registration fees are not added. Some customers want to add those to the donation totals, some do not. But you're welcome to add them manually. All donations that you count in person and online registration fees can be summarized here. Click Update, and done. As you raise more money in person, you can increase these numbers, and the thermometer will respond accordingly. Again, all online donations will be automatically added to this total here and affect the thermometer. But since this is a brand new event, we'll leave that at 0. Now let's edit our main content. Editing the main content is a function of uploading a Microsoft Word document. It really is that simple. We would select Browse, find the document we want, select Upload, and we are done. The Copy Word Doc button allows you to download the page that you already have in the system, edit it, and then you can re-upload it. This is very handy for customers who come back a second year who can edit last year's page with new information and then upload it. Before we edit the content, however, we want to download a template, and we can find it right here by clicking Support. We can scroll down, select GoFundy Webpage Templates, and we can use a very simple one like this one here. We'll click Save As, and we'll click Save. Once we've saved our document, we can open it. This is a very simple Microsoft Word document. All we have to do at this page is type in our personal information, and then we can upload it to create a web page. For the best Microsoft Word web pages, we select using tables. If I click here, it shows me this is a table with 2 columns. I have all kinds of control when I use tables. I can select borders, or I can turn them off. Tables allow me to organize pictures and content in a way that looks fantastic on the internet. For example, in this box, we can click Insert, a picture, and we can put our goat head in here. We can change the dates of our fundraiser. This is just a template, so we want to put our own content in here. I think we're doing a walk-a-thon. I personally don't like all caps, so. And we could put sponsors down below. If I was to add sponsors, I would insert a table. So select Insert, Table. Let's do a 3-column table. Once our table is inserted, we can change the size of the cells. When using Microsoft Word, sometimes you will have page breaks. These page breaks will not show up in your finished website. When you have tables, you can merge cells. You can increase the font size. You can center text. Actually, you can center all the text. Highlight all the cells. Click Cell Alignment. We're going to select Center in the center. If we want to put a logo from a major company in here, we can do that. Or we can just link to their business. Let's make a hot link. So Lowe's Home Improvement Stores will be one of our sponsors. We'll make that a little bit bigger since that's an advertisement. Maybe we can boldface it. There we go. Now, this is how we hot link. We highlight the content, we right click the content, and we click hyperlink. You can hyperlink an email address. You can hyperlink a website. http://www.lowes.com. Done. If we don't want it underlined, we can change the color. We can ununderline it. And we can change the color back to black. But it still is hot linked. I think I want to center that. You'll have all kinds of fun playing with Microsoft Word and setting up your page. As a matter of fact, I think I like that better as a blue, but not as dark a blue. There, let's do that. And we're going to save this document. Save. Now we're going to upload it. Click Edit Content. Click Browse. Here's our easy template. Click Open. Click Upload. Replace the current Word document? Yes. Bam, we have a web page. And we have our sponsors. And we can click on these sponsors, and it takes us to their web page. So that's the start of a fundraising web page. You've added the content across the top, you've added your logo, you've checked your address information, and at the very bottom you created a copyright. As soon as your web page is created, and even before that, the Donate Now button is ready to take online donations. And that's a brief overview of setting up your GoFundMe web page. In our next video, we'll set up online participant registration options.